Okay, page 76, lesson 4. Insert a date, footer, and slide numbers. Okay, so we're still using the same presentation, special event solution. Step number 1, click the Insert tab. Okay, what we are going to be doing now is learning how to insert dates, footers, and slide numbers. So just to give you a quick overview, a footer is when some text appears at the bottom of a slide and it appears on every single slide. You can put information such as page numbers, your name, or maybe the name of the course or the project, so that your stuff doesn't get lost, okay? That's one of the reasons. Another reason is just to make sure that everybody knows this is your stuff. It belongs to the same package. All right, so click the Insert tab. And then in the text group, click header and footer. In the text group, click header and footer. All right. Now we have the header and footer dialog box. Step number 2, select the date and time checkbox. All right. And then click update automatically if it's not already checked. Today's date will be put in there. All right. Step number 3, select the slide number checkbox. All right. And then type special events in the text box below. So slide number and the footer, and we want to type in over here special events. Okay. Select the don't show on title slide. Okay, so we don't want this to show on the very first slide. And then we are going to click apply all. So now if you notice, based on the theme, we have our footer show up on the side over here. Okay, and you'll be like, hey, this is a footer. It's supposed to be on the foot of the slide. But actually, it depends on the theme that you used. Okay, all right. Step number 7. Click the Design tab. Click the Design tab, right? And move the mouse over different themes in the Themes group. And now you'll notice that the footer changes based on the theme, okay? So if you look at this theme, for example, the footer is at the bottom, special events, and the date is at the bottom of the slide. So where the footer shows up is based on the theme that you have applied, okay? Okay, that concludes that particular step-by-step, and now we're on page number 77. Okay, we're still using the same presentation, and now we're going to learn how to apply a text hyperlink. So a hyperlink is a link to a different part of the presentation. So you could have a word that's linked to another spot on your presentation, or it could be linked to another website. Okay, so we're going to learn how to do that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and still click on slide 6. Position the insertion point at the end of the fax number, and then press enter to start a new paragraph. Okay, all right. Type visit our website. Okay, all right. Select the text you just typed. All right, select the text you just typed. And then on the Insert tab, click the link button. Click the link button, the Insert Hyperlink. Okay, so according to my information here, it's the hyperlink button, okay? In the link to list, ensure that the existing file or web page is selected, okay? All right. We are not linking to a place in the document. We are linking to a website. So then click in the address box and type in the URL, http://www.southridgevideo.com as the target, okay? So what we are telling our computer to do for us is to link this sentence to a website, okay? So that when your user clicks on it, they get taken to this website. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and click OK. And now we have a line under it, which shows that this is an active link, right? Step number 5, click slide 1, okay? And select Southridge Video. We're gonna select Southridge Video. On the Insert tab, click the link button, all right? And the Insert Hyperlink dialog box appears. Step number 7, in the link to list on the left side, okay, click place in this document. Now what we're doing is we're going to link those words that we just selected to another place in this presentation, okay? So what do they want us to link it to? Click 6 contact information and then click OK. All right, so there's a link here. How do we know that the link works? Okay, let's go to step number 9. Let's go ahead and click OK and then save the presentation. But just to give you an idea, if you want to test that your link actually works, do a slideshow, okay? Click and it'll take you to slide 6, okay? All right, that's it. Now we're going to go ahead and end slideshow and we're back to our main screen. So when we clicked on Southridge Video, it took us to slide 6. All right, page number 78. Adding a graphical hyperlink. All right, so click slide 2 and then click the photo to select it. Press Control K. If we do Control K on our keyboard, the Insert Hyperlink dialog box shows up. So we didn't really have to go into Insert and then Hyperlink. We just did Control K to get the same thing. 3, click Place in this document. All right. The next step is click 6, Contact Information. Click OK. And then save the special event solution. Save. So basically we linked this picture again to slide 6 and we can test it by going into this particular option over here and clicking the picture and it should take you to slide 6, right? Okay, we're done with that step by step. Now we're on page 79, but we're now supposed to use another presentation. We're supposed to close this. I'm going to save it and close it. All right. Okay. Open the Relic Cloud introduction. Relic Cloud introduction. Okay. All right. Save the presentation as Relic Cloud introduction solution. File, save as, back and forth. The Relic Cloud introduction solution. Save. All right. Step number 3, click slide 2. In the slides pane on the left, right-click slide 2. So what we're trying to do is create sections, all right? So sections basically are good for organization. So if you have a really large presentation and you want to put maybe the introduction slides in one section, you want to put the main content slides in one section and maybe the conclusion in another section. So it's a really good way of organizing your presentation. So it says click slide 2 and then right click here. Okay, let me continue in the next video.